Hello, my name is Simon and I work for GT Express. I wanted to share our experience working with TEL and John Barrett's team. They've been a very reliable, independent company. We first rented out trucks for them 2 years ago and our experience with them was positive. Their equipment was reliable and whenever we needed help, they were quick and professional. Because of this experience, we recently decided to rent out more trucks with them. It's been a pleasure doing business with TEL and John Barrett's team. At GT Express, we do business with a lot of transportation companies, and I can confidently just say that TEL is a reliable company, and we look forward to continuing our relationship with them. I would highly recommend TEL for anyone looking for quality and reliable equipment and looking to rent out trucks. Thank you, John, and the entire TEL team for doing business and looking for many, many more great years.